people! Party people! Welcome to my bank video. Don't ask me why I'm doing this, I just thought, what the hell, I might just feel like doing one. So I'm looking forward to it. Starting off with, I've got my topple. Yep, board. Shanty passes, I've got pistons for 146 shanty passes. Hey, I don't have that many, Jesus. Key, a bad key, a shiny key, a key, a bloody war iron key, monkey Gregory's a bloody awesome. I'll show you them later in the game. Yeah, fucking awesome, man. I've got my bones, everyone uses that. I've got a long boner, monkey paw, unicorn boner, ram skull, strange skull, bear rib, glary of pebble, pendant of Lucy, snowball, hell yes! Water skin, empty pot, everybody uses an empty pot now. Cake tins, bloody blah, so we don't bring that out. Explosion 1, that's bloody awesome. Empty water skin, I think it pissed them off. More Gregory's, Warrior Guild token there, I've got some families, you'll see in a minute. Stop. Laptop. Bloody hell. I've got my Beatles dead. That's quite something. Pariyama ticket. Water skins. Catsy cameo, that's good. A bomber cap. A bomb big one. A holding armchair. Carved oak table. Some bronze arrows, yeah. Some more shit. Google, awesome. 10 of them, everyone knows them. And another dusty key. Now my weapons melee tab. Got all the defenders, got healing. Some safety gloves and wolfbane. Got my 12. My spike key. I'm not fine, blah 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 blah. Just walk around. Oh, bloody hell, I hate that. The hell is this? I glitched this. Check it out. A plate body class 3. Sacred Steam Creation got glitched, and my mate got bloody 5 Sacred Grade class bodies class 5, and a few ranging coils. So I was like, shit, yeah. And that rooms after killing loads of bloody cheap spirits in the Enchanted Valley. A black skip was Prothoid, what the hell? King's Message for Regicide, Dragon Maze, and Dragon Shield for Dragon Hand, Dragon Staff, Porto, Dragon Strength, Helen Dragon Skin, Barrel Promise Mechanism, a real square shield, I got that as a connection. Ghosty Glass, and Semi-Cap. Ranging. Right, this is pretty shit. I'm gonna go for Lugia, what the hell is that doing? I mean, don't know what else in there either. I can probably tell what they're burning. What? Clue's gone, I got that from Aliens, you know, like God Wars. Sarah, Nora, that's people know that. Buff around and hanging out stuff. Almost healing here. Pause the video if you want to see, I can't really talk about anything. My son here, Cloud, the best thing I've ever got from the circus. Right, and we've got one. Oh my god, everything's everywhere. Law Tally, that's the only tally I've got. Oh no, it's not Law Banner. Cosmic Tiara, Cousin Gloves, Lords, and that stuff, and 100 effects, okay. Yes, I'm not the richest noob, I know that. I mean, my pet penguin, he's sexy. Dog here, sexy, he's got pubes. He's got pubes on his head. My squirrels, cat, this girl, my Hydra. I didn't make that have on the floor. My potties, farming and this stuff. My seeds, got my robots, they're nubby. Magic Scepters, and my pots. Right. 2 anti-fires, ranging, anti-poison. Anti-poison. Attack, 2 agility, prayer, super attack, restore, and attack. I need to throw this up. My shit tab. Just a shit. I got obviously bye shy stuff. Calling it a shit tab. Yeah, I don't really need to tell you about this stuff. It's all shit. I've got just like skilling shit. And my random tab when I'm doing stuff. That's for my mining, which went wrong, and I'm using it for smithing and all that stuff. So yeah, let's go back. 2 seconds. Oh, piss! Come on. Hey. And that's it, I guess. My bank. All of that around about. I did have 2.4 mil, but I kind of lost half of it. So yeah, poo. And that's my bank. So see you in the next week, guys. See ya.